Good morning. Welcome again to the Red Hands Project. I am your Red Hands. As you can know, my name is Alejandra Olivo. At the beginnings, we are to review the vocabulary we have seen the last class. Hi, good morning, hello, what's up, good evening, good afternoon, greetings. How are you? I am great, I am well, I am good, I am sad, I am fine, I am angry. See you after, bye bye, see you tomorrow, take care, see you in the next class. Let's go to the practice. Now it's time going to the practice and repeat the new vocabulary. Just in case, hurry up, can you repeat expressions? Had a nice day, it's goodbye, don't worry, you pending. Remember to use this vocabulary during the class. Bye.